Today we are in a 2024 Jeep Wrangler 4xe Unlimited Sahara, and we'll get started. So obviously the first thing you're going to do whenever you're in your vehicle is start it up. So we'll start it up and we'll go from there. Nice big Jeep logo. So when you pull up the home screen, what you'll notice is there's kind of two sections it's defaulted to. On this side of the screen we've got maps, and on this side of the screen we've got media, basically. If I swipe over, I can add more kind of screens, almost kind of make it like an iPhone or an Android phone. So if I hit add a widget, you can see there's a ton of features that you can select to be on that part of the screen. So just for our example, we'll hit climate. So now I've got some climate controls there. Here, we'll do this one. Let's go, I don't know, we'll go power flow. We'll try that one. And now if I scroll over to the third page, I can actually add an additional page. And it kind of shows you here, there's two different layout styles. There's layout 1, which is half and half, which is what we were just on. And there's layout 2, which takes this screen and kind of divides it into three sections. So if I hit layout 2, we've got that page added. Thank you. And again, we're just adding widgets. Let's go seats and wheel here. On this one, we'll do, I don't know, shortcuts. There we go. And then we got even more here. We can go controls. We can mirror dimmer. There we go. Let's do another shortcut. We'll do forward-facing camera. There we go. On this one, I'll do another control. Let's do rear view camera. And then on this third section, I don't know what that is. Schedule summary. Let's go to that. Schedule summary basically is a setting on your 4xe telling you how much time it will be to charge. So if you're on a level 1 charger, which is what comes with this thing, you plug it into the wall, plug it into your car, 17 hours, 17 minutes to fully charge this battery. If you're on a level 2 charger, 2.5 hours, much more reasonable. So that is your home page. Now, we've gone back to the top here, and these two initial screens that were already set by default when we turn the car on, we can edit these as well. There's a little kind of pencil indicator up in the corner here, and again, we can choose what we want the widget to be. We can remove it. So we'll go remove. Now my front screen is blank. We'll go to that second one that I set up, over to that third, and if I go here, I can go delete pages. So I'm just going to hit the trash can. Home screen page has been deleted. Okay. Hit the trash can again. Screen has been deleted. Okay. Done. Let's go back to that front page. So now we are at our front page is completely cleared off. Completely cleared off. Generally, people want, I think, the most important functionality or the things that you use the most right on the front screen. I think generally that's going to be your media, and that's going to be, you know, navigation. So that is your home screen in a nutshell. Me personally, I like to have the music on this side. I don't mind the map being on this side. It's a little bit easier to reach over and touch the screen here that way. One of the cool features on these screens here, so let's just add a page just for the example. I'm gonna add a couple widgets again. We'll add seats and wheel here. We'll add climate. So the reason why I wanted to do that was because I wanted to show you what this arrow up here in the corner does. As you can see, up in the left-hand corner of each of the sections, there's a little arrow. So if I hit the arrow here, that's going to take me to the actual proper media page in the UCONNECT 5 system. I'll go back home. If I hit the arrow here, that's going to take me to the actual nav part of my UCONNECT 5 system. So now you can see my nav is across the screen. I'll go back home. And let's go back to that page that I set up just for the purposes of this. Your seats and your climate controls are going to be under the same menu. So again, if I hit little arrow, it's taking me to the UCONNECT 5 comfort section where, as you can see, there's all the seat stuff, there's all the temperature stuff right there. So a lot of cool, interesting things you can do with the home screen. You can pretty much launch anywhere into all the menu systems and the sub menus by just programming the shortcut into the home screen. And let's see how many, just as an example, let's see how many of these we can add. Okay. So I'm at 4 here. Let's add a 5th. Let's add a 6th. Maximum number of pages reached. So you can do 5 pages across your home screen and kind of treat it like an iPhone or your Android phone. I'm going to get rid of these. We'll delete pages. As you can see, there's all 5 of them. We'll just hit the little trash can for each of them as we go along. Done. Beauty. That is the home screen.